Ever wondered what's really behind that familiar W logo and the name Westpac you see on bank branches and ATMs? It sounds straightforward, right? But sometimes, the official, registered name of a large corporation can hold a few surprises. Think about it. Many companies operate under a well-known brand name, a catchy moniker that resonates with customers. But their legal, registered identity might be a bit more formal, perhaps even a little longer. It's like having a nickname everyone knows you by, while your birth certificate lists something slightly different. So, when it comes to Westpac, the name we all recognize and associate with banking services across Australia and beyond, what's the actual, official, registered name that sits on the legal documents? It's a question that might not cross your mind every day, but it's an interesting peek behind the corporate curtain. Westpac has a long and rich history, tracing its roots back to the Bank of New South Wales, Australia's first bank, established way back in 1817. Over the decades, through mergers and strategic growth, it evolved into the major financial institution we know today. The name Westpac itself is a clever contraction, hinting at its origins and its geographical focus. It stands for Western Pacific Bank Corporation. This name reflects the bank's historical ambitions and its presence in the Western Pacific region. But is Western Pacific Bank Corporation the full, registered legal name? Well, almost. The official registered name of Westpac Banking Corporation is actually Westpac Banking Corporation. Yes, it's that simple. The widely recognized and used name is indeed the registered name of the company. Unlike some organizations where the trading name differs significantly from the legal entity, Westpac has maintained a consistent brand identity. The name Westpac Banking Corporation clearly communicates its primary business and its corporate structure. This consistency in branding and legal identity offers several advantages. It creates a clear and unified image for customers, investors, and regulators alike. There's no confusion about which entity you're dealing with. The name itself is descriptive and easily understood, reinforcing its position as a major player in the banking sector. So, while the abbreviation Westpac is convenient and widely used in everyday interactions, the full registered name, Westpac Banking Corporation, underscores its status as a formal and established financial institution. It's a testament to the power of a well-chosen name that has stood the test of time and become synonymous with banking in the region. It's fascinating how a simple question about a company's registered name can lead us to explore its history and branding strategy. In the case of Westpac, the name you know is indeed the name on the official records, a testament to clear and consistent corporate identity. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.